Hello, welcome to the BioMight Animation Engine, an innovative tool that allows one to explore biology in 3D. In this video, we will discuss navigation and biological component drill down. One accesses BioMight from the Products tab on the biomight.org site. See the Quick Start Guide to view details on how to move about, how to log in, and how to create a simple animation. Let's press the Login button to gain entry. This is the Projects page. In the future, this page will store your animations for editing and retrieval. For now, let's move on by clicking the magnifying glass. We have now entered the BioMight palette page. This is where you assemble your animations. As you can see, there are no components selected. Let's access the elements. Here we see a 3D representation of the most common elements found in the human body. We see boron, calcium, carbon, cobalt. As one moves over the 3D likeness, notice that the details are displayed. Let's look at carbons. This is done by clicking on the link in the Components box. In the future, one will be able to click on the actual 3D model for drill down as well. Also, please note that these coordinates are not hooked up in the engine right now. In the future, they will be used to position, size, scale, and custom shape your components. Displayed on the page is a representation of 3 carbon molecules. Using the mouse or keypad, we can move in and take a closer look. To drill down to the individual component, let's click on the subcomponent link to the right. As one can see, the element library can be used in the classroom today to instruct students about organically utilized elements. Let's move on to the molecules library. This library eventually be filled with the most popular compounds utilized in molecular biology, pharmacology, and immunology. As time progresses, the engine will be enhanced to reach out to popular databases to pull the scientifically defined models like from the protein database. For now, basic representations will be offered. Drilling into the amino acids, we see a listing of those utilized in human biology. Let's look at the prolines. Currently, we have a set of 3 available. Let's drill in. A model of the proline molecule appears. We see it is comprised of an amine, a carboxyl group, and a side chain. Although the models are not currently perfected into their correct 3D orientations, one can agree that BioMight offers a nice learning tool that demonstrates to students how various atoms are assembled into molecules. Accessing the DNA library will eventually allow one to build animations based on DNA, RNA, nucleotides, and biological components used in gene transcription. Jumping into the DNA library, we see a single solitary nucleotide. Clicking on the DNA link takes us into the DNA Builder page. Although the molecules are not perfect, BioMight can be used to instruct the basics, such that a DNA chain is constructed of nucleotides, and a nucleotide is constructed of ribose, a phosphate, and a nucleobase. Jumping into the sugar, we can see that that's comprised of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Scrolling across the top, We see the pathways, viruses, bacterium, cells, tissue libraries such as bone, blood, and adipose, neural, organs, systems, the body view, and text. That was a basic demonstration of the BioMight animation engine and navigation component. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share. Thank you.